mare, avec ses couleurs, ses reflets, ses fraîcheurs et sa pourbe, ses bouillonnements, ses maléfices, sa vie latente. Pour pénétrer le cœur d'une ville, pour en saisir les plus subtils secrets, il faut agir avec la plus infinie tendresse et aussi une patience parfois désespérante. Il faut la frôler sans être sournois, la caresser sans trop d'arrière-pensée. Ceci pendant des siècles. Le temps travaille pour ceux qui se placent hors du temps. Il n'est pas de Paris. Il ne sait pas sa ville. Celui qui n'a pas fait l'expérience de ses fantômes.
Are we ready to start?
Yes.
We're going to try to travel back to Paris at the Middle Ages, yes? This is not about why Paris is called the city of love. More than the city of the light, we're going to discover the darkness of this city, yes? Well, first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. Hello.
Je m'appelle Eva Serrano.
So please remember my name, Eva or Eve.
I'm 28 years old.
I'm from Spain. You love it.
I was born in Madrid.
You know, I never thought I would become like a tour guide. I just came for 1 month for holidays, and then I fell in love with the city.
Je me suis plus spécialisée sur les paris ésotériques, les paris mystérieux.
I fell in love with the job. I love to talk. I love Paris. I love the mysteries that are in Paris. So the job was just ideal for me. This has been my main job for 6-7 years now. All right?
Voilà, je suis ici, à Paris.
So, are we ready to start? Yes. Perfect.
All good.
Trop bien, bah allez-y, allez-y. Should we take our shoes off?
As you wish. Yeah, if you want.
Yeah. If you want to record something, you know I have a room from home. You come here. We close here.
Oops.
Ah, and there's no.
Oh, let's see. Yeah, that's less. Oh.
You see, it's perfect here. Huh?
Yeah.
You see, they don't hear anything. Huh?
Maybe I can read something. Et rue des Ermites, proche des marmoussettes, feu des hommes maudites, pour le affreux effet. Barbière sanguinaire, pâtissière téméraire, découvert par un chien, faisant manger au monde, par cruauté féconde, de la chair des chrétiens.
C'est trop bon.
You see, here we have 2 places, yes? Look in the corner. We have a bar, just in the corner, yes? Well, there, in the 14th century, he had a business, a barber. This barber, he was the most popular among the young students from La Sorbonne. You see what is this restaurant here? Beautiful. When it comes to music, you see it? He had a business, a baker. He had a bakery. He's specialized, or kind of a sort of meat pies. Meat pies. What happened that he didn't have enough material to produce those meat pies because the meat went for the soldiers in the 100 Years' War. So these two, they did an horrible deal with the young students from La Sorbonne. You've seen the barbers. The barber is quite popular to go to the barbery. The barber may you sit like this, you chill, you look like that, and suddenly they cut their necks. Those two places were connected by a cave. So it was perfect, nobody could see it. So when he killed a young student, he sent the death body through the cave, and the baker, all night, he took the best meat of those young students, and at the next morning, they smelled the delicious, fresh meat pies. Apparently the people love it.
Muy bien. Buen apetito. Buen apetito.
Yeah.
It's mom food. Muy buena. Hope you like it.
Was she ever scared for you when you moved to Paris?
Si alguna vez has tenido miedo que mudase aquí.
Sí,
Yes.
es duro,
It's a very hard city,
pero está haciendo lo que ella quiere hacer.
but she's doing what she
Y
she
eso,
likes to do,
y eso me hace feliz.
and she made her happy. When I came to Paris for the first time, but I was really, really happy to move here, even if I didn't have friends at the beginning, even if I was just happy to explore the city, to find books, being by my own. But I really enjoyed that time so much. I mean, because something I'm quite comfortable with my loneliness. But I think this is how you have to be in Paris, otherwise you'll die, you know?
Ah ouais, il fallait attendre le prochain, madame. Poussez-vous, poussez-vous, poussez.
Coupe-moi la tête, viens me couper la tête, viens, coupe-moi la tête. Comme ça.
Ah non, ah non.
On va pas couper la tête, madame.
Oui, oui, coupe-moi la tête, viens couper la tête. Viens.
On va pas couper la
Ah
tête.
non, on est bloqué.
Voilà, c'est bon. On va pas couper la
Viens
tête.
planter quoi.
All right, I think everybody's here. Perfect. Well, guys, we're in a square called the Hotel de Ville. The Hotel de Ville is a reference to this building that you see in front of you, that is the town city hall. But in the Middle Ages, this place that we are was the perfect place where they did the public executions. The first time that they used a guillotine in France was here, in front of the Republican values. Liberty, equality, well, not at that moment, I guess. The worst executions happened to the criminals. They tied the hand of the criminal to one horse, the hand to the horse, and the 2 feet to the horses. So the horses, in different directions, they ran and they dismembered the body of the criminal. Nice, huh? Well, hold on, I didn't tell you the worst execution yet. The worst execution happened to an extremist Catholic called Ravaillac, who killed the King of France, Henri IV. And they took the hand that killed the King Henri IV, and they put the hand in boiling oil and lid. Then, pretty softly, her nipples and testicles were removed. And they continue, of course. They opened the belly. They took a metal bucket full of rats and they put it into the belly. Then they took the metal bucket away and they came with the horses. And the horses in different directions, they did dismembered for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. They continue. They found some remains and they burned it. That's it. Your faces. Your faces. That was the best day in the Middle Ages. 5 hours of execution. Normally it was like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. 5 hours.
You want a sip of the beer, Neil? Cheers.
Mittra, I'm goodbye. Have a beer. Merci. Me, sometimes it happened that I talk about public executions, and I think that I talk it in a funny way. Not because I think it's funny, because it's a way of absurd in our human condition that we'll be able to do this. We are not like perfect human beings built by, we're like God or something. No, it's part of a human condition that people kill everybody. That's it. I remember once that I did a tour, and I was talking about the public execution, and when I ended the speech, the guy came and told me, yeah, finally life was real hell at that moment. It's true why they believe in the paradise on a cathedral, because outside was real hell.
What I'm most afraid of is to feel like the things are getting out of control. Like the people that are panic or they run everywhere. It's something that really, really scares me. There's something that you can really see in Paris, in many demonstrations, riots. It's not the city that's scary, it's the people. From one side, I think I live, of course, in this reality, and I'm this person that I am, but then from the other side, I feel like there is other part of me that is like in this kind of, feeling like in the 19th century and reading this kind of books that gave to me this sense of dreams and imagination that made me travel to this kind of world. And about the mysteries, it's like you are trying to research something that is not there. And when it's not there, you want to see it more.
Se pétrir de grisaille, faire corps avec l'ombre indécise et fade des angles morts, s'intégrer à la foule moite qui jaillit ou qui suinte, aux mêmes heures des métros, des gares, des cinémas ou des églises. Être aussi bien le frère silencieux et distant du promeneur esselé, du rêveur à la solitude ombrageuse, de l'illuminé, du mendiant, du pochard même. Ceci nécessite un long et difficile apprentissage, une connaissance des gens et des lieux que seuls peuvent conférer des années d'observation patiente. Il n'est pas de Paris, il ne sait pas sa ville, celui qui n'a pas fait l'expérience de ses fantômes.
L'expérience de ces fantômes.
A sound documentary by Yasmine Mahjoubi.
And Neelansh Mittra.
Music by Eva Serrano.
Short quote of Rue des Maléfices, Chronique secrète d'une ville by Jacques Yonnet, de Noël 1954.
We would like to thank Eva Serrano and Rosa Del Rey for their support in making this piece.
An original production of the Ecole nationale supérieure Louis-Lumiere as part of the 2023 International Sound Documentary Summer Program, accompanied by director Frédéric Pressman.